Hey guys! It's me, Ranabeth, and welcome to my YouTube channel! For today's vlog, ayan, maghahanda tayo sa pagsalubong sa bagong taon. Today is December 31, gabi na guys. And, ayan, nag-iihaw-ihaw ako dyan ng baboy. So, ayan guys. And then, ready na din yung ating table later. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo. So, see you later again guys! Hey guys! Update! Time check. I think magna-9 na guys. So nakabihis na pala ako. I'm wearing a purple dress. Ayan guys. So ipapakita ko sa inyo yung table. Actually hindi pa kami naglagay ng food sa table since sa labas kasi kami nag-set up guys. Mamaya na lang natin siya ilalagay yung mga foods pag malapit ng mag-12. So, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo yung kanyang setup na wala pang food. So, let's go! So, ayan guys. Ayan yung first table natin. Ayan, man tayo ditong window cathedral na gulaman to guys. Ayan, man tayo dyan mini apple. A lot of grapes, bali dalawang variety since we love grapes. May banana chips din tayo dyan. And yung ginawa ko kaninang prosperity bowl. And meron tayo dyan asin, rice with money and coins. Yung ating eggs. Ayan, meron din tayo dyan mga ayan, we have here wine, dalawang klase. We have here California red wine and Carlo Rossi pink Moscato. So ayan guys, later ilalagay natin dyan yung food na hinanda namin. So yan yung ating first table. So ayan guys, dito naman kami nag-set up yung ating second table. Andito yung aming mga fruits. So we have here apple, orange, mangosteen, ayan, lanzones, chico, lemon, winter melon. We have here mango, pineapple, guava, tisa, may ano din doon, parang think singkom to guys, or ayan siya, hindi ko alam kung ano to guys. Basta meron tayong ganyan, meron tayo ditong pear or peras, coconut. So yan guys, dito yung ating fruit table sa ating second table. So ayun guys, I think matutulog muna ako since hindi pa naman, malayo-layo pa naman bago mag-12. So, mag-alarm muna ko. Ayan guys, hindi pa ako nakapag-skincare but naka-wash na ako ng face. So, see you later na lang guys. Hey guys, update. Ay, wait lang. Malabo. Ayan. Kakagising ko lang guys. Time check. It's already 11:15. So, pinalabas ko na yung food guys. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung aming munting handa sa pagsalubong sa bagong taon. So, let's start! So, ayan guys, meron tayo ditong ayan, Hawaiian pizza. Actually, 3 to. Kinain na namin kanina. Yung isa, ayan, 2 na lang natira. We have here cassava cake guys, ayan, puto, suman, tinapay, andun pa yung Shanghai guys, and then inihaw na baboy. So, yun guys, yung aming munting handa. Update guys! 5 minutes left. Makmak is awake. And we have here Lucy's guys. Happy New Year guys! Hey guys! Good morning! Today is January 1, 2022. So, nakabihis na pala ako guys. I'm wearing a black t-shirt dress. So, kanina pa ako gising. Kasi, nag-sizing ako ng short natin and pinamanuhan natin kay mama. So, dito na yan guys. Done ko na yan i-sizing. Ready na yan for picture and for posting. So, ngayon guys, may i-haul ako sa inyo since I received a gift from one of my cousin, Ate Lalaine. So, ayan guys. May tayong gift dito. So, i-haul ko siya sa inyo. So, let's start! So, ayan guys. Ito yung lalagyan niya. May nakalagay dyan. Rana bag. Ayan. So, first item here is a swimsuit. Ayan, nakita ko na to kanina guys. Binuksan and sinukat ko na siya kanina. Sorry guys, maingay yung aso. Ayan yung detail niya dito sa itaas. May pa flower lang siya. And sa baba is, wait lang guys, ang ingay ni 3C1. 3C1! Sa baba guys is plain na violet. So, ayan guys, yan. So, parang nagpapahiwatig na yung swimsuit natin para maligo tayo or mag-outing. And ganito siya pa back guys. Pa-U-back siya. So, ayan guys, last one. In this plastic bag, we have here knitted top. Ayan, na pa long sleeve. And, ayan, H&M divided. H&M yung kanyang brand. And, parang pag-glittery yung kanyang effect dyan. Ayan. So, baka nanonood si Ate Lalaine. So, thank you, thank you! So now guys is kakain tayo since ayan may window cathedral tayo dyan, hotdog, and kain tayo guys. And si kuya nagluto na ng ulam namin for lunch, and mamaya maya pag na defrost na natin yung ating beef for Shanghai, magbabalot tayong Shanghai later. So kain tayo guys.